Today we're at the Innovation Center Metro Station, where we're preparing for the installation of 10 new Capital BikeShare stations in and around this metro station and also the Huntington Metro Station.
Capital BikeShares is a key part of our whole system of not only connecting people to jobs, but also to retail and to, frankly, their homes. You get some physical activity, which is an essential part of healthy living and an essential part of, frankly, aging well.
Users of the Capital BikeShare program have access to over 8,000 different bikes spread across over 800 different stations, including almost 100 here in Fairfax County. And you can start by just downloading either the Lyft or the Capital BikeShare app. And from there, you can use that to unlock a bike. The classic red bikes will need to be docked at a station, but if you would like to be more flexible with where you park your bike, you can take one of our e-bikes, which can be locked to any traditional bike rack.
Last year alone, we've had more than 40,000 riders take advantage of this last mile of transportation. It's so essential to our mass transit system.
We have way too much traffic in Fairfax County, and we need to get people out of their cars and off the road to reduce the traffic of the people who do need to use the roads. So if we can find ways to encourage more people to hop on a bike to get various places, then we're reducing traffic on our roads, we're making your commute better, we're making the commutes of the people who use the metro better, and we're making it easier to get around this beautiful, great county that we have.